Alright, we got the Springfield Armory XD40. We're going to disassemble and then reassemble it. So it's already locked back. We're going to keep it locked back. Now this little lever right here, right in there, it goes basically clockwise, but it goes up. So we're going to just push this lever up. It's a little different than a lot of the other guns. Now we're going to drop the slide. Once we get the slide dropped, you see how it's kind of riding along the top part right there. We're going to pull the trigger. The slide's just going to slide right on off. This is completely disassembled for the frame. Now the slide, we're going to take the rod, we're going to push forward, pull out, push it forward, pull it out, just like that. Remember, the large part goes toward the front. The barrel, we're going to slide it forward, slide it up and out, and that is completely disassembled for cleaning. So we're going to go clean it, come back and put it back together. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video below. Thanks. Alright, we're going to reassemble it. Let's take the slide, take the barrel, go down in, slide it back just like that. Now remember, the large part goes toward the front, so we're going to start it in the front hole right there. We're going to push it forward, seat it down in this little beveled groove right down in there. This has got a very prominent beveled groove, so you'll be able to see that easily. Now to put it back together, we're going to take these little grooves right in here. We're going to line them up with the little wings. Now if you notice, you've got to go behind your little lever right here. So we're going to start here and it's going to slide right there behind. See how that's behind that lever? We're going to push it all the way back. We're going to lock it up. Then we're going to take this, we're going to turn it counterclockwise. Just like that. It goes down like that. We're going to drop the slide, pull the trigger, rack it, pull. So we're good to go, and this is the Springfield XD40. It's ready to load up and do some shooting.